Abdurrahman from India.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salamtullah.
Yeah, my question is, in rainy season, sometimes roadside mud splashes on my dress, and even if I clean it, some stains remains. So if I pray with these clothes, will my prayer is valid? I can't change the clothes because I'm on the way of work. So what should I do, Sheikh?
Is it najis or you don't know?
Don't know, Sheikh. Might be najis because roadside mud, while we traveling due to the other vehicles, it splashes on my dress.
The default, akhi, is that everything on this earth is pure until proven. Proven is written with lock caps, bold font, red, underlined, quote unquote. If you have proof that it is najis, then you have to wash it. But if you don't have proof, you're maybe, I think, perhaps ignore it and move on. It is by default pure.